Hi my friends, welcome to Easy Gemology, Applied Gemology for Emerald Jewelry Sparkers. This course is about emerald gemstone, how to identify, how to grade, how to buy, and finally how to carry. Generally this course doesn't need to any prerequisite, but if you take the other my course as fundamental of gemology, you will learn better. But don't worry, this course will teach you all things you need. So let's go to the course. Our first lesson will be Introduction to Emerald. In this lesson, we will discuss about the origin of emerald name, the philosophy behind the name of emerald, and finally learn which month of the year belongs to emerald, or emerald belongs to which month. Emerald is a historic gem among all of the gemstones that we know up to now. We will discuss about the history of emerald in next lesson, but for now we should know about the name of emerald. Historically, the name of emerald comes from a Persian word azamarut that changed in Latin to smaragdus, which during the time changed to emerald. In India and Sanskrit culture, this gem is known as marakata, that is named for green stones. In South America, and especially in Mexico, emerald is known as quetzalcoatl. The emerald, a beautiful but brittle member of the beryl family, has been prized by many people, including the ancient Egyptians, Romans, Greeks, and Incas. Indeed, the Babylonians may have been marketing emerald as early as 4000 BC. Marketing may be too gentle a word. However, perhaps the ultimate truth about emerald is the old saying that at some point in their career, almost every high-quality emerald was smuggled. Almost all emeralds are flawed in some way. In fact, some kinds of inclusions dub the garden or garden of the emerald in a strange way seem to enhance the beauty of the stone. Thus, emeralds are among the old stones which, even if flawed, can draw a high price. Emerald and topaz are the only stones listed in all the old birthstone table, and emerald is considered the preeminent gem of the springtime. The Arabs, Hindus, Poles, and Russians, along with some modern lists, including that of the National Association of Jewelers, assigned the emerald to May. According to an old rhyme, who first behold the light of day in the spring's sweet flowery month of May, and wears an emerald all her life, shall be a loved and happy wife. However, the ancient Jews, Romans, and Italians, along with Isidore of Seville, placed the stone with June. It is also considered a talismanic gem for June. Emerald should be worn on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. When worn on Friday, the emerald attracts love, as Friday is the day of Venus. However, Monday is also a special day for making magic with emeralds. Wednesday is the best day for using emerald as therapeutic stones. Emerald forged magic is said to be strongest when worked within a week, either way of the full moon. As for zodiacal signs, emerald is variously assigned to Taurus, Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Virgo, Scorpio, and Aries. Some Spanish lists assign emerald to Sagittarius. Marbados says that those born between June 22 and July 23 who wears an emerald will receive the gift of eloquence. Hey guys, thanks for your participation in this lecture. In next lecture we will discuss about history of emerald in details. See you in next lecture.